Hish! I'm very tired lah with all this grass. Every time I cut, it grows back fast. What should I do, eh?
Hello, what's wrong, miss? What seems to be the problem?
Eh, hi, boss. You see my grass? It's not nice. The weeds are growing up everywhere. Sakit mata tengok.
Oh, okay, miss. I can make your garden much better that can stay green and beautiful for years to come.
Oh, really? How? Come in, come in.
Oh, okay. Come, follow me. I'll show you. Jump. We need to jump. 1, 2, 3. Why don't you jump? We need to jump together.
Oh, okay.
On 3?
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Wow! The grass is so green. How did you do this, eh?
This is NobleGrass. NobleGrass is a high-quality artificial grass compared to other suppliers. The advantages of having NobleGrass is no mowing, no watering, no fertilizing, and especially no more weeding.
Oh, that sounds great. So how many types of grass do you have?
Oh, so we have 3 different types of NobleGrass. This is NobleGrass Balu, which is in apple green color with the density of 15,000 stitches per meter square. This is NobleGrass Cruz, which is in dark green colors with 16,000 stitches per meter square. And this is NobleGrass Premium, which is in emerald or olive green colors with the density of 18,000 stitches per square meter.
I see. How durable is it?
It's quite durable actually. As you can see, it won't tear off.
Oh,
yeah.
But what if it's raining?
Okay, hold on. Can you hold this one? Okay, there won't be any water ponding because there will be holes underneath the NobleGrass. Nice, right?
Yeah.
Let me show you our projects that we have done. So it's nice, right, to have this installed for your garden, for your lawn, for your offices, or even indoor spaces. So what are you waiting for? Contact us for free consultation and quotation. Miss, wait, you haven't paid yet. Miss, wait.